So yesterday we bought the Mavic Mini and now we're gonna fly it for the first time. Not really. Yesterday I downloaded the app, I registered the drone. You have to register it before you can use it. I charged the battery and I launched it 3 times. 2 of those 3 times I crashed it into the wall. It's super easy to start using it, but I guess you first have to learn how to fly. I launched it in my apartment and that's not a good idea, so now we're gonna try to launch it here, and we're in Bluntautal in the valley. I will try to navigate the drone all the way to the end. So once you got the app installed and the drone connected to your mobile, here's the remote control. Just open the remote control like that. Put your phone. I have to remove the cover, otherwise the phone is too big. Here's the cable, and that enables us to connect the phone to the drone controller. We power on the controller. When you power it on first, it asks you if you want to automatically open the app once it's connected, so you should do that. You remove the gimbal protection from the drone. Power on the drone. To power on the Mavic Mini, you push the button once and then you push it again, and like that. There's some testing. You extend the arms. And push the button to connect it. Both are turned on. Takes a moment. Just have to turn it. Or you could just put it on the ground. Kompass kalibrieren. Sicherheitscheck. Oh, now it's gonna launch. Yeah, 1 sec. Oh. Ach so, ja wurscht.
Oh, ja, genau.
So it is flying and it is the drone is flying and it is recording. It's very easy to launch that. Huh?
What a view!
Yeah, it's incredibly.
But yeah, maybe navigate it away from the water.
Just make it. Just use the arrow to your left arrow to look down. Yeah, it's coming.
Ah, it's looking up and down like this.
Yeah, this is to go front. Right is to go front and back, and I think
sideways.
Tell it to look like.
Straight move.
If you bring this down, what happens?
It goes up and down.
Okay, and if you use the right one?
The right one goes.
Yeah, it goes.
And it's mounted back.
Okay. So how do we do the? There is a button over here, right? Somewhere?
That's how it works.
To navigate it away from the water first, guys.
Ah, maybe that's why it doesn't go 2 kilometers.
And you can like send it back like that, you know. So
cold wind.
It's like
now it doesn't bend anymore. You know what makes nice that guys?
If you hold it, it stops.
Yeah. I mean, it goes away.
Then what is this for?
But Casey grabs it and then he turns it and then it's off.
What is this for?
You cut it?
Yeah, it's this.
Ah, okay. Right.
Oh, so see the gimbal? Is the gimbal moving?
Yeah.
Nice. So
It's so easy, right?
yeah,
I'm looking for a kitchen easy.
and then you could send it back like that. Yeah, I think once you get used to this, it will be really easy to maneuver.
Yeah,
It's really easy to maneuver.
What Casey does is he grabs it and he does this and then it's off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Grab it. Wait, don't.
It's landing.
Just keep it pressed.
So cool.
So you keep this pressed, and keep this pressed, so it will start dropping down, and then you just press the power button when it's close to the ground, then it switches off. Yeah, we didn't record.
You didn't record? No? Seriously?
Yeah, but it's okay. We at least know how to maneuver it now.
Yeah.
Good. It's on here at least. We recorded here, no?
Yeah, I think so.